Hi y'all. So today we have two mini fashion series 2 mini purses, and inside here we can get 100 different kinds of real fabric fashion bags and accessories. And so very satisfying. And then this one. This one. Nice. So today, Barbie can get, let's see. Today, Barbie got, oh wow, look at that purse, y'all. Oh my god. It's a Louis Vuitton. Oh wow. That is a little metal, real metal handle. And it looks like red on the bottom, but it's like a sparkly glitter on top. It's like this glitter, yeah, real glitter. And the shoe itself, so cute, wow. This is awesome. It's just a little high heel, you know. And I'm pretty sure it unzips. Oh my god, so cool. I love it. It's like this. It's nice, y'all. It's like a little keychain. Definitely make this into an earring. Oh, look how the chain is connected to this part. I got it unzipped. It does go open. There's some full paper in there. And it's red inside. You can definitely fit some lipstick or something. Wow, that one's cool. This has to be like a rare one, because it's really cool. Very cute. Wow. Yes, Barbie loves that one. That one's really cool. And so this bag also came with perfume bottle. Doesn't open. It's just plastic. It shows MF on it. Cute. Oh wow, look at this, what I got in here. You guys. She has the Tiffany necklace. Oh wow. I'm pretty sure I got a super rare one now. Oh my gosh. Don't ask me how I do this. Oh, it's a little tiny lock. It's like a Tiffany lock. Do you see that? Wow, so cute. And a couple little studs, maybe like diamonds. That would look so cute on Barbie. Yeah. Here you go, Barbie. Very precious. Wow, and it comes with a cute little. Yeah, that one is super rare, y'all. Wow, I got so lucky here. Look at that. First one. How did I know it was gonna happen? That is so cool. Ooh, look at. And I think it's like some kind of glitter bracelet bangle. It's got little sparkles. And it's translucent. Really hard to get a picture. Oh, there we go. And a little band. See the glitter? Cool. Okay, so the second one. Yeah, so this one bag, let's see, I got the little necklace. Is it a necklace? I don't know what it is, y'all. It's so tiny, I can't even see it. We have to just keep looking for it. And so the bag I got had to be super rare because look, it's on its own. Nice. I kind of like this flower one, and I guess these clear ones are pretty cool. And I don't think I'm gonna get the luggage, but yeah, I didn't get luggage today. They're nice too. Okay. Okay. We got one. Ooh, this is the sticker of the other one we got. Cute. This says MF on it, and I like the angles. It's not really closing too well. Okay, so although this one does have like a magnet in it, see, it's not staying like the older ones. I don't know. Series 1 was honestly way better, y'all. Look, it's not even staying. Look, there is a magnet in there, but man, honestly, Series 1 was cooler. Better quality in Series 1. Yeah. If y'all can still find the Series 1 of these, let me know. Now you gotta grab some. Okay, y'all, so a couple more here. Oh, pretty. Ooh. Looks like we got a sticker of this backpack and I don't know, face cream? Yeah. To keep Barbie's face looking youthful. And we have this mini fashion bags. Mini fashion. And then oh. And there's a little bit of angles detail. And I think it's for a phone or something, or a wallet. Closes, but then there is a little closure book, and it hangs on a little chain. Yeah, what is the chain about? I never know. Alright, if you want to see more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.